Ladies and gentlemen, we now have our district councilor. It's Honorable Loren Bonifacio for his message.
Thank you so much, sir. Pinangilaw na wag mo iti gobyerno iti mili tayo. Iti ito province ti Cagayan. Hello. Salamat, sir.
May isa?
Yeah. Hello. Again, sir, thank you so much. Kaday pinangilaw na wag mo iti gobyerno iti mili iti probinsya ti Cagayan. A leader should and must possess a strong political will to lead his or her constituents. The hard-working staff of our provincial government, from the office of the governor, mga sir, mga ma'am, Sir Edwin Arellano, the provincial coordinator,
Saan?
my colleague, SB member Janet Lacpanan,
Doon, naninigarilyo.
our active and intelligent district supervisor, Sir Cesar Acevedo,
Yeah.
the head teacher of this school,
Sino?
napakagwapo, napakatalino, Sir Leopoldo Guimayen.
Saludo ako sa iyo.
Likewise to the teachers of Kabur, Ma'am Remy Guillermo. Iti ama, iti dahiting nga barangay, Honorable Tomas de la Peña. Sir, ken kadagiti nag-get nga membros iti barangay council na. Barangay Captain of Centro West, Honorable Barangay Captain Bobby Acevedo. Barangay Captain of Kabulwan East, Honorable Dario Lacpanan. Barangay Captain of Cabalitan West, Honorable Joel Tango. Barangay Captain of Cabalitan East, Honorable Roman Arellano.
Pinsan ko yan. Pinsan ko yan.
Other barangay officials, visitors, nembang nga bigat tayo, amin kakapsat. Natalget nga kabuluan ka tayo amin. In behalf of our municipal government, through our Honorable Mayor and Vice Mayor Vincent G. Unide, in behalf of Kabuluan West Barangay Council and the other 4 barangays, we are very grateful and very thankful for the financial assistance. Although hindi pa na-award, pero nagpapasalamat na po kami.
Ina-anticipate.
Ina-anticipate. We are anticipating our grateful and heartfelt thanks sa financial assistance po na pinagkakaloob niyo po sa amin with our beloved and very hardworking Governor, Honorable Antonio Alvaro Bong Antonio has extended. This shows how big is the heart and how generous our Governor is. The amount you extended us is of great help for the improvement and development of our respective barangays in our locality. Ang subsubalit kami ito po iti dahil ito yung dakkel nga ayat ken tulong nga impayo iti iling nga balisteros. Rest assured that our loyalty will be on you forever, and I'm sure that God will reward those individual who has a big heart, just like our Governor Bong Antonio. And we will continue praying that God will continue to bless Governor and give him lots of strength and good health para mas marami pang matulungan ng ating pinakamamahal at dakila na gobernador ng ating probinsya, Honorable Bong Antonio. Sana po the entrance of the provincial government, iparating niyo po sa ating butihing gobernador ang aming lubos na pasasalamat sa